True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Welcome back guys to my channel. So right now I'm gonna take you all to the waterfalls area in St. Elizabeth. But I'm on the main road coming from Holland Bamboo direction. But I will take you all to waterfalls area in St. Elizabeth. So thank you guys for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes. So yes, my people, it's a new year 2021. As you can see, New Holland, waterfalls, Ginger Hill, Mega Quarters, road to Black River. So where I'm at right now, I'm very close to Mega Quarters where you can get the peppery shrimp. So I'm gonna make a right turn in a few more seconds, which will take us to the road to waterfalls in St. Elizabeth. So I'm gonna make a right turn. So waterfalls is a tourist attraction area. If you want to enjoy the water, you all can come to this area. Nice place. So I'm giving you a tour how to get to waterfalls from coming from the Holland Bamboo side, also Santa Cruz, Lacovia. So enjoy the tour. I know a lot of things change because of the pandemic. A lot of persons cannot get to travel at the moment because of the coronavirus. So a lot of persons can't really get to come to enjoy Jamaica. So I will give you a tour. So enjoy the bumpy ride. Having a little bit of bumpy ride right now. And always remember, you have the Jamaica Zoo in Lacovia. So when you come to St. Elizabeth, you can go out on the south side, which is Treasure Beach. A lot of tourist attraction out there in Treasure Beach. You can go to Lush, Jack Sprat's, Jake's. Very, very nice place out that side. And also, you can also go to Bubble Spring in Mega Quarters area. So I'm telling you about the country. You see a lot of banana trees, breadfruit trees, mango trees, beautiful hill side. So when you're in YS Falls, it's about 25 minutes to Santa Cruz and also 20 minutes to Black River. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, and always remember to click the bell icon. So as soon as I uploaded a video, you need to press all so you will be notified as I uploaded a new video. So if you want to know about Jamaica and many different areas and how to reach there, you all can tune into Fire Reid, True Jamaican Vibes. Looking a bit overcast right now. Hopefully we get some rain today. And you all need to be very cautious for stray animals like cow and goats. Be careful when driving on this road. See a lot of horses in this area. So in a few more minutes, we will reach our destination, which will be Falls. So you all can look for part 2 when I go and visit the falls and show you the different areas. So this is my destination, which is Falls destination. So you all can come here for a visit. So they also have a zip line. So you all need to come and enjoy the zip line.